Popular Nigerian singer Habib Olalomi Badmus Portable has openly criticized fellow artist Speed Darlington after being invited to perform at his upcoming concert. Speed Darlington, whose real name is Darlington Okoye, reportedly reached out to Portable, inviting him to perform at a show scheduled for April 13, 2025. However, Portable turned down the offer, stating that Speed Darlington could not afford his performance fee. In a fiery response shared in a video, Portable mocked Speed Darlington, claiming he was trying to use him to gain attention. The Zazu crooner demanded 20 million naira for his appearance, emphasizing that he's a global superstar who performs in London and America.
Speed Darlington, I be wetin dem dey call you. Fit dey your imagination. Say you wan dey roll with a nation. May you no get money, na you sabi. You are very stupid. Ipe o lowo lowo, you wan invite me for show. You dey use me promote your show.
Portable also took a jab at Speed Darlington's status, stating, "I'm not a tout like you, I'm a hero, a superstar, a celebrity." He accused Speed Darlington of previously offering 500,000 naira, which he described as an insult. Portable's video quickly went viral, sparking mixed reactions from fans. Some agreed with his demand, while others criticized him for being disrespectful. Fans are now waiting to see if Speed Darlington will respond to Portable's demands or replace him with another artist for his concert. We'll continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.